Tag-along rights are a critical protection mechanism for minority shareholders in startups and private companies. When a majority shareholder decides to sell their stake, minority investors can feel vulnerable and uncertain about their future. Tag-along rights, also known as co-sale rights, provide a legal safeguard that allows smaller shareholders to participate in the sale on equal terms. Understanding this concept is essential for anyone involved in startup investments, whether as a founder, employee, or early-stage investor. Tag-along rights are contractual protections written into shareholder agreements. They give minority shareholders the legal right to join a transaction when majority shareholders sell their ownership stake. Essentially, if a founder or major investor finds a buyer for their shares, anyone with tag-along rights can sell their shares to the same buyer at the same price and under the same conditions. These rights are also commonly referred to as co-sale rights because they enable smaller shareholders to co-sell alongside the majority. Without tag-along rights, minority shareholders face a significant risk. When majority owners sell to a new buyer, the remaining minority investors are left with new partners they didn't choose and may not trust. The new owners might have different visions, strategies, or plans for the company. However, with tag-along rights in place, minority shareholders have the power to exit the investment alongside the majority. They can sell their shares at the same valuation and avoid being stuck with unfamiliar or potentially unfavorable new ownership. The process is straightforward. First, a majority shareholder receives an offer from a buyer to purchase their stake. Next, the majority shareholder must notify all minority shareholders who hold tag-along rights about the pending sale, including details like the price per share and payment terms. Finally, the minority shareholders have a specified period, usually 30 to 60 days, to decide whether they want to participate in the sale. If they choose to exercise their rights, their shares are included in the transaction at the same terms. Let's walk through a practical example. Imagine a startup founder owns 60% of the company and receives an acquisition offer at $10 per share. An early employee who owns 2% of the company has tag-along rights in their stock agreement. When the founder decides to sell, the employee is notified and given the option to sell their shares as well. Thanks to tag-along rights, the employee can sell at the exact same price of $10 per share, ensuring they benefit from the same favorable terms the founder negotiated. There are 3 important terms associated with tag-along rights. First is pro-rata basis, which means each shareholder can sell a percentage of their shares proportional to their ownership stake. Second is the notice period, typically between 30 and 60 days, during which minority shareholders must decide whether to participate in the sale. Third is same terms, meaning the price per share, payment structure, timing, and all conditions must be identical for both majority and minority sellers. No one gets preferential treatment. Tag-along rights offer clear benefits for minority investors. They provide liquidity protection, ensuring small shareholders aren't trapped in an investment. They create fair exit opportunities by guaranteeing equal pricing. They also prevent forced partnerships with unknown buyers. However, there are limitations to consider. These rights can complicate transactions by adding more parties to a deal. They may delay closing timelines as minority shareholders deliberate. Additionally, some buyers prefer clean, simple acquisitions and may be deterred by multiple sellers at the table. The fundamental principle of tag-along rights is simple but powerful. Minority shareholders should not be left behind when majority owners decide to exit. These rights level the playing field in startup investments, ensuring that early employees, small investors, and other stakeholders have the same opportunities as founders and major shareholders. For anyone investing in or joining a startup, negotiating tag-along rights during early funding rounds or employment agreements is crucial. They represent a fundamental protection that preserves fairness and equity throughout the life cycle of a company.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.